Winter, a time of icy winds, freezing temperatures, and scarce food. Many animals thrive in these harsh conditions. They have special adaptations to survive. These adaptations are essential for life in cold climates. Let's explore the fascinating ways animals cope with winter. Many animals have thick fur coats. This fur traps a layer of warm air close to their bodies. This acts as insulation against the cold. The thicker the fur, the warmer the animal stays. Animals like Arctic foxes and polar bears rely on their dense fur. This fur is especially thick in winter. It keeps them warm even in sub-zero temperatures. Some animals, like seals and whales, have a thick layer of fat called blubber. Blubber is an excellent insulator. It helps them stay warm in icy waters. Blubber also provides energy reserves. This is important when food is scarce. These animals can survive for long periods on their blubber stores. Some animals, like bears and ground squirrels, hibernate during winter. Hibernation is a state of deep sleep. Body temperature drops and breathing slows down. This conserves energy. The animals use stored fat reserves to survive the winter. They emerge in spring when food is more readily available. Section 5. Migration, journeying to warmer lands. Many bird species migrate to warmer regions during winter. They escape the cold and find plentiful food sources. These migrations can be thousands of miles long. Arctic terns are champions of migration. They fly from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year. This is the longest migration of any animal on Earth. Section 6. Food storage, preparing for lean times. Some animals, like squirrels, gather and store food for winter, and they hide nuts and seeds in caches. These caches are hidden throughout their territory. This ensures they have a food supply when it's too cold to forage. Their excellent memory helps them relocate these hidden treasures. Section 7. Polar bears, masters of the Arctic. Polar bears are perfectly adapted for life in the Arctic. Their thick fur and blubber layer keep them warm. Their large paws help them walk on snow and ice. They are powerful hunters. Polar bears rely on seals as their primary food source. They use their keen sense of smell to locate seals resting on the ice. Section 8. Penguins, built for the icy south. Penguins are flightless birds that thrive in the southern hemisphere. Their dense, overlapping feathers provide excellent waterproofing and insulation. They huddle together for warmth. Penguins are adapted for swimming and catching fish. Their wings have evolved into flippers. This allows them to navigate the icy waters with ease. As Section 9, Arctic foxes, survivors of the tundra. Arctic foxes are small canids with thick fur that changes color with the seasons. In winter, their coat turns white for camouflage in the snow. This helps them hunt and avoid predators. They have a varied diet. Arctic foxes eat lemmings, birds, and even scavenge on leftover carcasses. Their compact bodies and thick fur help them conserve heat in the frigid tundra. These are just a few examples of the incredible adaptations that allow animals to survive in cold climates. Their ability to withstand freezing temperatures, find food, and raise their young is a testament to the power of natural selection. These adaptations ensure the survival of these species. They remind us of the diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Gap 3S. Now let's delve deeper into one of the most fascinating creatures of the Arctic fox. These small but mighty animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in one of the most unforgiving environments on Earth. Gap 2S. First, let's talk about their fur. In the winter, their coat turns a brilliant white. Blending seamlessly with the snowy landscape, this not only provides excellent camouflage against predators, but also helps them sneak up on their prey. Come summer, their fur changes to a brown or grey, matching the tundra's rocky terrain and sparse vegetation. Gap 2S. Next, their extraordinary hearing. Arctic foxes possess acute hearing that allows them to detect the faintest sounds of prey moving under the snow. They can pinpoint the exact location of a rodent burrowing beneath several feet of snow, making them superb hunters. Gap 2S. Their paws are another marvel of adaptation. Covered in thick fur, their paws act like natural snowshoes, distributing their weight evenly to prevent them from sinking into the snow. This fur also provides insulation against the freezing ground, keeping their feet warm even in the coldest conditions. Gap 2S. But that's not all. Arctic foxes have a special way of conserving energy. During the harshest winter months, they reduce their metabolic rate to use less energy, allowing them to survive with minimal food intake. Gap 2S. Through stunning visuals, we'll witness these adaptations in action. Expert biologists will share insights on how these foxes navigate their icy world, and we'll see firsthand the ingenuity of nature's design. Gap 2S. The Arctic fox is not just a survivor, it is a testament to the incredible power of adaptation. Its unique strategies for survival are a perfect blend of biology and behavior, ensuring its place in the Arctic ecosystem. Gap 3S. Now let's embark on a journey alongside one of the Arctic's most iconic inhabitants, the caribou. These majestic creatures undertake one of the longest migrations of any land mammal, traveling up to 3,000 miles annually. Gap 2S. Imagine vast herds, tens of thousands strong, moving in unison across the tundra. This awe-inspiring spectacle is not just a testament to their endurance, but also to their remarkable navigational skills. Gap 2S. Caribou migration is driven by the search for food and favorable breeding grounds. During the spring, they head north to the Arctic coastal plains, where lush vegetation provides ample nourishment for pregnant females and newborn calves. And Gap 2S. As summer wanes, they begin their southward trek to escape the harsh winter. Along the way, they face numerous challenges, from crossing icy rivers to evading predators like wolves and bears. Gap 2S. What's truly fascinating is their ability to navigate these vast distances. Caribou rely on a combination of environmental cues, such as the position of the sun and the Earth's magnetic field, to guide them. Gap 2S. Through stunning visuals, we'll witness the caribou's migration in all its glory. Expert biologists will share insights into their migratory strategies, and we'll see firsthand the incredible endurance and determination of these Arctic nomads. Gap 2S. The migration of caribou is not just a journey, it's a story of survival, resilience, and the timeless dance of nature. Their epic treks are a vital part of the Arctic ecosystem, showcasing the interconnectedness of life in this frozen world. Gap 2S. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of bear hibernation. As the Arctic winter approaches, bears prepare for a long period of dormancy. This is a time of incredible transformation and survival strategy. Gap 2S. Imagine a bear finding a secluded den, a hidden sanctuary where it will spend the next several months. As the snow begins to fall, the bear's body undergoes remarkable changes. Its heart rate slows and its metabolism drops, conserving vital energy. Gap 2S. During this time, bears do not eat, drink, or even defecate. Instead, they rely on their fat reserves built up during the summer and autumn to sustain them through the winter. Gap 2S. Expert biologists will explain how bears enter a state of torpor, a form of deep sleep that allows them to survive harsh conditions. We'll explore the physiological adaptations that make this possible, such as the bear's ability to recycle waste products into proteins. Gap 2S. Through stunning visuals, we'll witness bears settling into their dens, their breath visible in the cold air, and the quiet beauty of the Arctic winter enveloping them. Gap 2S. Interviews with wildlife experts will provide deeper insights into the hibernation process, revealing the delicate balance bears maintain to emerge healthy in the spring. Gap 2S. The hibernation habits of bears are a testament to nature's ingenuity, showcasing the intricate strategies these magnificent creatures employ to thrive in one of the world's harshest environments. Gap 2S. Join us as we uncover the secrets of bear hibernation, an extraordinary journey of survival and adaptation in the frozen north. Section 11. Unique adaptations of Arctic foxes. Arctic foxes have several unique adaptations that help them survive in the harsh Arctic environment. Their fur changes color with the seasons, providing camouflage. They have a keen sense of hearing to locate prey under the snow. Their paws are covered in fur to provide insulation against the cold ground. These adaptations make them one of the most resilient animals in the Arctic. Section 12. Migration patterns of caribou. Caribou undertake one of the longest migrations of any land animal. They travel hundreds of miles between their summer and winter ranges. This migration is driven by the need to find food and suitable calving grounds. Caribou are well adapted for long-distance travel, with strong legs and hooves that can traverse snow and ice. Their migration is a remarkable feat of endurance and navigation. Section 13. Hibernation habits of bears. Bears are known for their hibernation during the winter months. During this period, their metabolic rate drops significantly, allowing them to survive without eating for months. They rely on stored fat reserves to sustain them. Bears choose secluded dens for hibernation, where they remain in a state of torpor. This adaptation helps them conserve energy and survive the harsh winter conditions.